Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload your Facebook cover photo on your Facebook profile for your affiliate marketing business or for your Facebook affiliate marketing business, right? So if you are beginner and know nothing how to set up your Facebook cover photo for your affiliate marketing business or how to upload your Facebook cover photo on your Facebook profile, then this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can upload your Facebook cover photo on your Facebook profile for your Facebook affiliate marketing business, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? Now without any delay, let me show you how to upload your Facebook cover photo on your Facebook profile for your Facebook affiliate marketing business, right? But one thing I would say, whenever you are going to create your Facebook profile cover, as you can see in my case, I have created my Facebook cover photo for my affiliate marketing business. So here point is that always optimize it for desktop version as well as for mobile version. You might have noticed that yes, everything will be good when you upload your Facebook profile photo on your desktop, but if you see same Facebook cover photo using your mobile, then it will be different, right? Sometimes your text will be hiding by your photo. So here overall idea is that optimize it for for mobile version as well as for desktop version, right? This is the first thing. Second thing, yes, you can use Canva. It's a free tool, right, to create your Facebook cover photo. So you can see that I use Canva to create my Facebook cover. Yeah, you can see here, right? So yep, you can use that tool. It's a free. Or if you don't know how to create your Facebook cover photo, then yes, you can go to Fiverr and you can hire someone who is professional in creating Facebook cover, and for that you can pay $15 or $15 to $35. So it's up to you, right, based on your budget, right? So here overall idea is that do what you are best and outsource the rest, right? You are doing affiliate marketing as a professional marketer, so do it as a professional marketer, not as a amateur marketer. I say that when we start affiliate marketing business, then we try to do everything on our own self. So don't be that guy. If you do that, then you will be overwhelmed and you will not be getting quality work by yourself. So here hire someone if you don't know how to create Facebook cover, right? So this is the option that you have. Or you can go to Canva. If you know how to use this tool, then yes, you can go and create Facebook cover for your affiliate marketing business, right? So in my case, I have created Facebook cover using Canva. Right now, let me show you how to upload Facebook cover on your Facebook profile. So yes, you can see that I have uploaded my Facebook cover on my Facebook profile. So for that, what you need to do, can you see that edit cover photo? So click here and then click on upload photo, and wherever you have your photo, select your photo. So in my case, I have photo. Yeah, so this is my Facebook cover photo. So select this and then open. Yeah, you can see that now. So you can make some adjustment, right? And after that, what you have to do, you have to click on that button that says save changes, right? So in my case, I have already uploaded my Facebook cover on my Facebook profile, so I'm not going to do that, right? So this is how you upload your Facebook cover photo on your Facebook profile, right? So here I'm assuming that you have uploaded your Facebook profile cover photo on your Facebook profile. Then what's the next step that you have to do? After uploading it, what you have to do, simply go to the caption section of your Facebook profile cover. And now here in this section, I see that there are people, especially those who are new, they leave it blank, right? So don't do that. Put some text here with your affiliate link or with your funnel link, right? So for that, go to your caption section of your Facebook profile cover photo and then click on that edit section, and here you have to type your message whatever you have on your Facebook profile cover. So it must be congruent to the message that you have on your Facebook profile cover photo. Same message that you have to put in your caption section of your Facebook profile cover, right? So I'm just gonna show you the example what you need to do. So suppose there is nothing, right? So simply come here. I'm just gonna delete everything, finish editing. So let's suppose there is nothing here. So come here, edit, and then wherever you have message with your affiliate link or with your funnel link, simply come here, paste your message, and then, or you can type whatever, right? If you want to type, you can type whatever message that you have and then save it. Yeah, it will be showing here. And yes, here point to note that when you have created your Facebook profile new, then here I would highly recommend you don't put affiliate link here. So you can put your message without any affiliate link. And yes, if you want, you can put your sales funnel link where you are opting, or you can say where you are first you are collecting email address, but don't put your direct affiliate link, especially when you have created your new Facebook profile. Yes, when it is old, like when it's been more than 4 to 6 months, then yes, you can put your affiliate link, or you can put your sales funnel link in this section, right? So that's the right way, because what happens when you have created new Facebook profile for your affiliate marketing business or to promote something, Facebook see that you are here to promote, you are here to advertise the product. So somewhere they don't think that it's a good thing. They may ban your new profile. So what you have to do when you have uploaded your Facebook profile photo on your Facebook profile, so put some message or caption text without any link and keep it for 2 to 3 months blank, and after 2 to 3 months then you can come here and you can put your affiliate link or your sales funnel link in the caption section of your Facebook profile cover. So that's the right way, that's the right strategy. And yes, if you are new, then yes, you can put your you can say your affiliate link or your sales funnel link in your bio section when you have created new profile. So that's the right way, but don't put your direct affiliate link in the caption section of your Facebook profile cover photo, right? So that's how you upload your Facebook cover on your Facebook profile when you are doing Facebook affiliate marketing, right? So yep, this is all about for today. And yes, if you have any questions about your Facebook affiliate marketing business or regarding Facebook profile cover photo, then yes, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you. I will try my level best to help you, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. Down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming trainings that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.